Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling generative fill and any beta AI features and preferences, then restart Photoshop so the models load. Open your layered PSD and immediately duplicate key layers so you always have the original. Next, define the edit area with a quick mask or lasso tool. This tells the AI where to act. Once done, choose a generation intent, repair, replace, or extend, and supply a concise prompt. Make sure to set sampling quality and iterations before you generate so results are sharper. Now you refine the AI output by working non-destructively. Add a layer mask and paint to reveal or hide generated pixels. If the first passes off, iterate. Adjust prompt weight, add negative prompts, or include style tokens like film grain or soft shadows to nudge the model. You select subject and content-aware on problem areas, then apply AI brushes for texture-aware local fixes. As you iterate, flatten temporary previews to a new layer, and compare with the original to track improvement and avoid overprocessing. Finish by matching color and lighting. Use camera raw filter, curves, and match color to integrate AI changes seamlessly. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD for future edits and export a high-quality flattened PNG or TIFF for delivery. If something goes wrong, textures look off or artifacts appear, reduce the edit area, simplify your prompt, or clear the model cache and retry. These steps often fix inconsistency. Finally, make small manual clone and dodge burn corrections to ensure a clean, polished final image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.